everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we're doing a quick review of Woodpecker.co. Now Woodpecker.co is a solid cold email outreach tool designed to help business automate and personalize their initial contact with prospects. Now when it comes to the pros, it's often praised for its user-friendly interface, making it relatively easy to set up and manage campaigns even for beginners. It has key features like automated follow-up, email warm-up, and delivery monitoring. They are valuable for ensuring emails reach the inbox and improve sender reputation. So the next we have that many users appreciate the detailed reporting and analytics that help track campaign performance. It also has the ability to personalize emails at scale, which is a core strength, allowing for more targeted and effective outreach. When it comes to the cons, some users find it pricing can be more expensive as the number of prospects or required features increases. Then it also integrates with other tools. Some users, even though it integrates with other tools, some users have reported limitations or difficulties with certain integrations, particularly with some CRMs. And when it's compared to platforms offering multi-channel outreach like LinkedIn automation natively, Woodpecker primarily focuses on email, which might be a drawback for those needing a broader approach. The user interface, while generally easy to use, is sometimes described as a bit dated by some users. Overall, Woodpecker.co is a powerful and reliable tool, specifically built for cold email, providing the essential features needed to run effective and personalized outreach campaigns. Hope you found this video helpful.